without you guys, feeling ko hindi ko malalaman yung option ng ganun na pwede palang
Mm.
mag-aral yung student at the same time magtatrabaho ng full-time. So I would have missed that opportunity if wala kayo guys. So I'm really thankful na
Mm.
nandyan kayo and ang bilis nyo mag-reply. Actually, ikaw din. Sobrang bilis nyo mag-reply. Actually, nung araw na inoferan ako, sinachat na kita noon kasi di ko alam kung ano gagawin ko. So, sabi mo,
Yeah.
sige, push ka lang with your part-time. Inoferan ka na ng part-time.
Yeah.
Ako na bahala. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, and like, diba, even actually with that, diba, we weren't representing the employer, pero yung the part of the employer, we had discussed that, yung parang ito yung magiging problema ng employer mo. So they need to make changes in this way, and then when you convey that to them, ginawa talaga nila. So I think that's also, parang we weren't directly engaged dun sa employer kasi ikaw yung client namin. We were giving you advice. Pero it was also helping your employer to do yung decisions and like do the steps that they needed to onboard you super
yeah.
fast. So I think yun, parang it was a really good example na yung parang how we were able to make the working parts kind of like gel a bit more kahit iba-iba yung may hawak.